What's the meaning of comedy? Comedy. Comedy.
Comedy. Comedy. Comedy is a genre of entertainment that aims to make people laugh or feel amused. It often involves funny situations, jokes, satire, parody, puns, and other forms of humorous expressions. The purpose of comedy is to provide entertainment and relieve stress through laughter. It can take various forms, such as stand-up comedy, sitcoms, films, plays, and cartoons. Comedy has been a popular form of entertainment throughout history and continues to be a significant part of modern culture, providing a lighthearted escape from the challenges and complexities of daily life.